Prem Kankan. And we should always remember that Radharani walked here. She is walking here. Radharani walked here. She is walking here. And she will walk here. How fortunate I am. So we should pray to the Brajaduli. When will I see Radha's footprints? We go to the Brajaduli, we go to a Lila Stali, Barsana or Nandagram or anywhere, and we pay Dandavats, and we roll around, and we take some dust, and we think, we meditate, we chant, we pray. We write. The writers, they get inspired. And then what do we do? Then we should think, how fortunate I am. So we should pray there in the Brajaduli, when will I see Radharani's footprints here? Just like every day I go to Manasapavan Ghat and I pay my obeisances, respects. And I lie in the dust of Manasapavan Ghat at Shamakund. And there's a way I realize there's a way you can lie down, do dandavats where only part of your head is touching. You know, the science of full coverage. So you can lie down where maybe just the crown of your head is touching, but not your whole forehead. You have to move your head in a certain way where, you follow? It's like a certain angle where your whole forehead comes in touch with a Brajaraj. Then you think, oh, Radharani's Charanduli is on my forehead. You're thinking like that. And you're praying, Radharani, you came here today. You bathed here today. And I'm putting my head here. Will some altar from the bottom of your feet will come on my forehead? Will you please show me your footprints? And you're lying there and you're thinking, Radharani walked here. She is walking here. She'll walk here tomorrow. When will I see her footprints? This is bhav. This is called bhav dristi. You see with your thinking, and when your heart catches up with your thinking, then you see with your heart. So your heart doesn't catch up with your thinking until we come to the level of bhava bhakti. Then we can see lila. And now it's Ado Shvara Tata Sarasanga Bhajana Kriya Anartha Nivriti Tata Nishta Tata Ruchi Asakti Bhav and Prema. At least we have to start thinking with feelings for Radha and Krishna.